Looking to escape into the charm of cozy cabins and winter wonders? Today's video has you covered with something truly special. In this countdown, we are exploring the top 5 LEGO Alpine Lodge and wooden model building sets, the perfect picks for builders who love nature, creativity, and detailed displays. Each set offers a warm, inviting world you can build piece by piece. The products links are in the description below, and let us get started with the video. Taking the first spot is the LEGO Icons Alpine Lodge model building set, a beautifully detailed winter escape that brings the charm of a snowy alpine retreat right into your hands. This impressive 3-story lodge is designed as a festive family building project, complete with a welcoming reception area, comfortable guest rooms, and a cozy loft bedroom. The illuminated log fires, activated by pressing the chimney, add a warm and realistic touch that enhances the entire winter village atmosphere. With its outdoor skating area, toilet cabin, wood store, ski box, and a fully equipped snowmobile with a trailer, the set captures the essence of an adventurous holiday getaway. It includes 5 minifigures along with a cat, squirrel, and bird, allowing you to create lively scenes around the holiday tree and decorative elements. Measuring over 21 centimeters tall and featuring 1,517 premium pieces, this set offers a satisfying build for both adult collectors and fans of festive LEGO creations. The inclusion of digital instructions through the LEGO Builder application makes the building process more intuitive for all ages. Whether given as a holiday surprise or added to an existing Winter Village collection, the LEGO Icons Alpine Lodge stands out as a heartwarming centerpiece that celebrates creativity, craftsmanship, and the magic of winter. Taking the second spot is the wood cabin building set with light, a richly detailed and immersive combo that captures the peaceful charm of a quiet forest escape. This beautifully crafted cabin offers a warm, inviting world filled with lifelike elements, from a lively pond and a fruit tree to colorful plants that surround the rustic wooden structure. The functioning water wheel and the thoughtfully designed pond area elevate the outdoor scenery, while the innovative built-in lighting brings the model to life, casting a gentle glow that enhances its atmosphere, especially during evening display. Inside, the ground floor features a cozy living room and a reading corner, complete with opening doors and windows that reveal the surrounding landscape. A warm and comfortable bedroom awaits on the second floor, adding to the tranquil charm of this miniature retreat. With 2,570 premium 3.6mm mini blocks made from high-quality APS material, the building experience is both detailed and rewarding, offering a soothing escape for adults, teens, and experienced young builders. Delightful touches like a cat sunbathing on the roof and the quietly spinning water wheel create moments of discovery that enrich the overall display. Designed to encourage creativity, problem-solving, and fine motor development, this cabin is not only a relaxing project, but it also a meaningful family bonding activity. Perfect as a gift for hobbyists and building enthusiasts, the wood cabin building set with light promises hours of imaginative exploration and the joy of crafting your own peaceful woodland hideaway. Taking the third spot is the LEGO A-Frame Cabin Building Set, a beautifully crafted display model that invites you to slow down and enjoy the peaceful charm of countryside living. This detailed LEGO Ideas creation recreates the classic A-Frame cabin design, complete with its steeply angled roof that lifts away to reveal a warm and inviting interior. The upper-level bedroom and the lower-level living room, study, and kitchenette are filled with accessories that make the cabin feel alive, offering a cozy atmosphere perfect for storytelling and display. With 4 customizable minifigures and an impressive collection of 11 animal figures, including birds, frogs, butterflies, moths, a squirrel, an otter, and even a spider. The set brings nature right to your fingertips. Outdoors, you can arrange the 3 colorful buildable trees to form a small island, and the included canoe adds another layer of adventure to the scene. Composed of 2,082 pieces, this set is designed for adult builders who appreciate creativity, architecture, and the serenity of rural life. Its displayer lady design stands over 24 centimeters tall, making it an eye-catching centerpiece for any home or workspace. As part of the LEGO Ideas collection, this model was created by a fan designer and selected by LEGO enthusiasts, adding to its collectible appeal. The illustrated booklet featuring behind-the-scenes interviews and step-by-step instructions enhances the building experience, offering insight and guidance throughout the project. Ideal as a gift for nature lovers, architects, or devoted fans of LEGO sets for adults, the LEGO A-Frame cabin building set celebrates the joy of hands-on creativity and the calm beauty of a rustic woodland escape. Taking the fourth spot is the LEGO Treehouse Model Construction Set, an extraordinary and highly detailed build that captures the magic of family adventures among the treetops. This 3,036-piece LEGO Ideas model is designed for experienced builders and offers an immersive building experience filled with creativity, nostalgia, and natural beauty. Built on a rich landscape base, the set includes a tree with interchangeable leaf elements, allowing you to switch between vibrant green summer foliage and warm yellow and brown tones for fall. The treehouse itself features 3 beautifully crafted cabins, a main bedroom complete with a buildable bed, balcony, and a functional hand-operated crane, a children's room with bunk beds, books, and a treasure map, and a bathroom equipped with a bathtub, toilet, and sink. The roots and top tree can be removed for easy access, making the model as playable as it is display-worthy. The base brings the outdoor setting to life with a picnic table, 4 minifigure seats, a flowing stream, a swing suspended from the tree, a campfire hidden gem, and lush plant elements made from sustainably sourced polyethylene. With 4 minifigures representing a family, mom, dad, and 2 children, plus a bird figure, the set encourages imaginative storytelling and delightful family scenes. Measuring over 37 centimeters tall, this impressive model stands as a centerpiece in any collection. It includes a detailed booklet featuring assembly instructions and insights from the fan designer behind the project. Perfect as a meaningful gift for builders ages 16 and up, the LEGO Treehouse Model Construction Set celebrates craftsmanship, nature, and the joy of shared adventures in the great outdoors. Taking the 5th spot is the Funwhole Mountain Cabin House Set, a beautifully atmospheric building experience designed to capture the peaceful charm and adventure of a true mountain retreat. This beautifully crafted model lets you immerse yourself in the spirit of mountain vacations, complete with opportunities to relax in a soothing hot spring, prepare meals, admire sweeping views from the observation deck, and even befriend a pair of friendly squirrels. The cabin blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape of white poplars, harmoniously built into the hillside to reflect a deep appreciation for nature and outdoors living. Thoughtfully designed for shared enjoyment, the set includes 2 detailed instruction manuals that allow 2 builders to work together, one focusing on crafting the natural environment and the other guiding the assembly of the cabin itself, creating a rewarding and collaborative experience. Enhancing the atmosphere further, the model features 8 customizable lighting points, including 7 warm LED lights that illuminate both indoor and outdoor spaces, along with a white LED beneath the hot spring to cast a gentle cooling glow through the water. These lighting effects elevate the entire display, making the cabin look especially magical at night. Ideal for adults who enjoy mountain scenery, outdoor adventures, or quiet autumn retreats, this set pairs beautifully with other cabin-themed models to enrich any display. With its charming details, relaxing scenery, and supportive customer service, the Funwhole Mountain Cabin Househead offers a delightful escape into creativity, craftsmanship, and the serenity of mountain life.